To clean the MX40, you will wipe down the device and the patient cable, either as a single unit, or disconnected, according to your hospital policy. If your hospital policy is to disconnect the patient cable from the MX40, remove the cable, and if you are using the MX40 reusable battery, remove and clean it separately. Clean the MX40 and reusable battery before disinfecting. Wipe the MX40 and reusable battery using a lint-free cloth. Dampen modestly with one of the approved cleaning or disinfectant agents. The approved cleaners can be found in the IFU, and are also suitable for cleaning the patient cable. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the prescribed application duration time. If you must clean inside the patient cable connector, use only isopropyl alcohol on the gold pads, followed by a lint-free cloth, dampened with water. Remove cleaner residue by wiping the MX40, patient cables, and battery with a lint-free cloth, modestly dampened with distilled water, or isopropyl alcohol. Pick up your lead set and attach it to the MX40, you notice it only fits one way. To open the battery compartment, place the MX40 in your non-dominant hand, put your other hand on the black lines, squeeze and bring downward. If the door comes off, you have not broken it. Just attach it back to the MX40, insert reusable batteries, with the circle to the back, and press down. Once you put your battery into the MX40, you have turned the device on. To charge the reusable batteries, place them on the charger, right side up so you can read the name Philips, and ensure the battery LED indicators light up. The light is yellow while charging, and turns green when fully charged. It takes about 6.5 hours to charge a reusable battery from depletion to full. For reusable batteries, the battery life is 30 hours for ECG only, in telemetry mode, screen and sound off, and about 15 hours for ECG continuous SpO2. Refer to the IFU for further information.